Hello friends, I welcome all of you to joining me on my YouTube channel C. Abhishek Sharma. So today we will discuss about that how can we incorporate a company under the SPICE forms. So what is SPICE? Basically is a simplified pro forma incorporation of company electronically. It is a very simple process to incorporate a company, but there are some doubts which are facing by my few viewers who are going to register their client companies. So they are asking me to prepare one video over it. So I come here with the process that how can we resolve their queries. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the MCA site where we need to log in. If we have an account, if we don't have an account, so we have to create an account first. So this is the account. So here if you can see, this is the MCA service process. Okay, so first you have to go there and click on SPICE. So here you can see two options will be coming. One is new application, second is existing application. So I would personally suggest you, before using these options, you must have a DSC of the persons who are going to be a director in your companies. So you can apply CFI or some other eMudra dealers who can prepare the DSC for you. Okay, rest after one, if you have a DSC digital signature, then you have to come with this process. So in this video we will only discuss about SPICE Plus Part A and SPICE Plus Part B. So basically these are two forms. In first form, Part A is for to reserve a name, a proposed name which is going to be your company name, and Part B, once you get the approval from the NCA regarding the name for 15 days, you have to fill the remaining part of the form, in which includes the address, detail of directors, and declarations, and few other requirement they have. Okay, so let's start. First step is new applications. So here we have to fill the basic information. Suppose I am going to incorporate a one private limited company. Okay, so in this section, this is part 1, others, then private company, then company limited by shares, because my client would be like to invest 1 lakh rupees, non-government company, and what is the main division of industrial activities. So this we will discuss later. How can we get the code here? So as suppose 74 is the code is related to the other business activities, so it will be automatically fill here if I once fill the code. How, from where we can get the code, I will tell you. After that, you have to give a brief description about the business activity is going to be carried by the company. Suppose there is a construction company, so you have to give the detail in 4 lines that I will deal in the real estate constructions of multi-story building or a single story building, whatever is the objects you have to form the company. Then you must fill a 2 proposed name to get the approvals. Suppose XYZ Private Limited, then ABC Private Limited. Then you have to click on the auto check. In primary phase, it will check whether these name are available or not. If these name are available, over a green message will be show here. Then you have to click on save and then submit. Once you press the submit button, it will ask for 1000 rupees fees. It will give you 2 times. If suppose the first time you are going to apply and name was rejected by the authority, so you have another one chance to apply with the new names. Okay, this is part 1. During SPICE Plus Part 1, it sometimes is asked whether you want to continue with the Part B. So I would suggest you that first you get the name of approval. If you are fill the SPICE Plus Part A form and Part B form, it may be happen your name will not be approved and you do a lot of work to fill the Part B. It's better you first prepare a Part A form, then once you get the approval within 2 or 3 days, you will approach to Part B form. Okay, this is one thing. Now suppose your name, you got the approval of your name. Next time you will log into the, after 2-3 days you log into the account on MCA. Again you have to click on the SPICE Plus, and then you have to click on the existing applications. So here you can see recently I prepare incorporate one company of one of my clients, so it is showing here. Then click on application number. So this type of things would be showing here. Okay, so here once part A is approved, part B would be activated. Okay, here you can see this Agile Pro S is Spice AOA plus Spice MOA and INC would not be activated. It will be activated once you fill complete form part B and submit. Only submit. Once you submit part B forms, this download icon would be appear and you have to click here, so this would be downloaded. One thing I would like to suggest, if when you download this form, you will open this form where this form would be saved. Suppose in my download section this is saving here. Click right click and go with the open with the Adobe PDF Acrobat. It will give you the complete detail, and after that once you prepare all your respective forms, you have to sign it to the DSCs. Okay, we will discuss this later. So guys, in this video we will only discuss about part A and part B. Part I already discussed, part B we will going to continue. So this is part A. Because I cannot open to the PDF Acrobat Reader because there is a client data, it is very confidential. So I just give you one example here. This will automatically fill when you open it. Okay, and what you have to do, then you have to fill the necessary information like what would be a capital structure, whether it is an equity or preference or both. Then nominal share detail, you will fill it according to your convenience, according to your client requirement. Then corresponding address. So for corresponding address, there you should have a utility bill not later than 2 months, and rent agreement if it is rented, along with the NOC, non-objection certificate from the owner, and then rent receipts. Okay, then ROCs depend on your company's office jurisdictions, belongs to which ROCs. Then DIN. Here one thing is important, if you have a DIN, director identification number, so you have to fill information here. If suppose you have one director has a DIN number, other director does not have a DIN number, so you have to fill one here and one in this section, not having valid DIN. It is very easy for a incorporated company if you have already a DIN, because if you don't have a DIN, so you have to provide some additional informations. Okay, then scroll. Nothing is, whatever is not applicable to you, it will not be activated. Okay, it will show in a white color. Okay, now come to the director information. Once you fill the director information here, DIN number, you have to press on pre-fill and it will automatically reflected the informations. If suppose a person who does not have a DIN, so you have to fill his PAN number detail as per PAN card, its address proof. For address proof, it will ask for you the driving identity proof, for driving license, passport, voter ID. For address purpose, it will ask for a utility bill or a mobile bill or a bank statement. So I prefer you go with the bank statement. Okay, then you have to fill this all necessary information wherever required. Okay, here you can see the proof of identity, driving license and bank statement. Then go next. This form would be submitted online, so it is just a PDF form. I give you one example here. Okay, then after completing this, yes, most important part, when you come into the section for the stamp duty payment, as we know that we did not pay anything till now, so we have to choose yes, stamp duty is applicable, we will pay it electronically. Once you submit all the form to the online, then it will ask you to pay the fees. So this will work later. So we have to give the information here. If you press click here and do the pre-fill, so this here the fees will be automatically come. Means system will calculate the fees accordingly. Then after that you have to fill it here. Stamp duty would be paid through MCA portal. Then online, every section you have to fill online, and date of stamp would be the date on which you are going to submit your forms. Suppose you are going to submit your form today, so date you should mention today, and then once you upload all the forms, so you can pay the stamp duty. So here this is the biggest confusion. Then you have to give the specific information regarding the PAN jurisdictions. For 10 jurisdictions, for TDS number, go to the NSDL site, okay, or you can type on the Google, know your patent jurisdictions, okay. Basically it is available on NSDL. Let me see. Yes, here it is, okay. Suppose I belongs to Gurgaon, so I will scroll here, Gurgaon, Gurgaon. So what is my name, director name, or what is my company first name, depend on that you will choose the AO, area code, AO code, range and AO number, okay. These information you have to fill here. Same in the case for TDS number as well. Then business profession code. For business profession code you can type it here again, that what is my business profession code on Google, okay. Otherwise there is some toolkit also I will show you where. Then some necessary attachment. If a person who does not have a DIN number, so he have to provide a attachment, bank statement and driving license or passport, whatever. For in case of a subscriber detail, you have to again proof of identity. Then you have to give the office address proof, which is maybe a rent agreement or maybe anything, okay. Memorandum of association, article of association in PDF format is applicable, depend on the company to company. Suppose you are going to incorporate a company which is defined under section 8, okay. If one subscriber, if in your company one director is a non-individual, okay, foreigner, so in that case the requirement would be changed accordingly, okay. It is a simple approach I am saying. After filling all the information, declarations, they will ask for you to do the pre-scrutiny. Once you do complete your pre-scrutiny online, means here online, then you click on submit. Once the form is submit, so this download action will be, download icon would be activated. You download that form, and then once you download that form, it is ready for DSC signatures, okay. So in this video we will discuss only Spice Plus part A, Spice Plus part B only. In next video we will discuss about Agile Pro, and next 2-3 videos are Spice AOA, MOA, and then Spice 9. So thank you guys, thank you so much to joining me in my sessions. I hope you enjoy and get a lot of knowledge about it. So we will discuss, and I will come soon with the next video. Thank you so much.